Today I'm making carrot green pesto. When I'm in the supermarket and I see they have carrots with the green still on, I cannot resist making this pesto. It's so flavorful and goes with just about anything. Ingredients are lots of carrot greens, salt and pepper to taste, a few cloves of garlic, a handful of walnuts, and olive oil as needed, usually 2 or 3 tablespoons. First of all, detach the greens from the carrots and put the carrots aside. Wash the greens thoroughly, dry them with a clean kitchen towel or a salad spinner if you have one. Then chop the greens. No need to be too exact, just make them the size that'll fit into your food processor. Do not remove the stalks as they hold a lot of flavor. Next, peel and chop some garlic. If you don't like garlic, just skip it. Now it's already time to get out the food processor. Combine all the ingredients. Add salt and pepper and other herbs and spices if you fancy it. Then get to pulsing and pulsing and pulsing. Occasionally scrape down the sides. Now is also the time to make the pesto really yours. For more freshness, add extra greens. For more creaminess, add extra walnuts. And if the consistency isn't coming together, add oil. Once you are happy with the result, transfer the pesto into a glass jar. It'll keep in the fridge for about a week. Actually, it might last longer, but I always use mine up within a week. I hope you tried this recipe and I'd love to know what you think. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.